Hey guys, so it's been a minute since I've filmed. It's actually October, almost Halloween time. No, it's like the beginning of October, but I was gonna film for my birthday, but I ended up not to. But since then, I've done a couple things to my car. I was gonna say for a wide body kit, but I said screw it, I'll do some basic mods, and this is where I'm at right now. So first off, we got sequential side markers. We got this little sticker. And then for my favorite part right now, carbon fiber trunk with LCI taillights. They have a sequential turning. And last but not least, I have this brake light stencil that says N54. So that's where my car is right now. And last night I wanted to go pick up a carbon fiber diffuser, which I'm gonna try to install right now, and a carbon hood, but that one's for the LCI, so I need to get it custom fitted. So I'm gonna take it on Wednesday, today is Monday, to get that installed. But yeah, a lot of carbon fibers going onto this car. Carbon trunk, look how nice this thing is. Yeah, the carbon trunk, LCIs, and then the carbon diffuser. I'm gonna give it a shot, and if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna take it to the shop where they're custom fitting the hood. Many hours later, and a lot of yelling and cursing, finally got the bumper off, because we needed to take off the bumper because the carbon diffuser wasn't.
We broke a couple little clips.
Where are they? That side?
Like somewhere right here. There's like 2 on this side and 2 on the other side.
Yeah.
It's like little ones.
It's all good though. Now we just got to try to make the carbon diffuser fit on this thing and then mount it back on. I'll keep you guys updated. Finally, after hours and a crazy thunderstorm, which rarely happens in California. Look at the freaking street, man. Out of nowhere, mid freaking install, it just freaking lit up with lightning and rain and everything. But yeah, after all that craziness, finally got it installed. Only took like all day, but yeah. This is the results. It's not perfect fitment. Had to do a bunch of stuff, but from far, can't really tell that it's like bad. Let me get some light on there. Yeah, but I would say overall, looks pretty good. Tell me that doesn't look sick. And this is a stock exhaust with downpipes. Man, all these fumes. But damn, that thing looks freaking sick. Next, we're going for the carbon hood. I apologize for my hair. It is really crazy because I was using this for most of the time because I had no light. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It looks freaking sick. I love it. Next video is probably gonna be me getting a carbon hood and then hopefully install it. I'm probably not gonna install it. Well, depends how difficult it is. If I think I could get it done, this is probably the hardest thing I've done in a while. But if I feel like I can get the carbon hood done, I'm gonna try to install it. If not, we're gonna take it to a shop and get that installed because I like proper fitment. But yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.